Hello there, how are you doing? I hope you're all well. I decided to grab a Christmas magazine kit. So in a kit you get a lot more than you would normally get in a magazine. It comes in a slightly thicker box, and this one, for example, says it has 120 elements inside. And I was quite intrigued to see what might be inside and what the quality was like. It took me a little while to decide on which one, but I decided on Lisa Horton in the end because I really like this gingerbread die set, and the stamps appealed to me. The sentiments on the stamps appealed to me. And this is the back, so it tells you perfect for all abilities from beginners to advanced. Jam-packed with ideas and inspiration for all occasions, embossing techniques, kinetic ideas, off-the-page projects, paper folding, mixed media designs and colouring masterclass. So that all sounds like a lot of fun, doesn't it? I've had this since Saturday morning. It's now Monday afternoon. It's the first chance I've had to film it, and I've been itching to open this all weekend, but obviously I've kind of promised myself that I would unbox it for you guys in real time, so that's what I'm doing. So let's get it done. Can't wait any longer. Okay, let's have a look. I thought you might just find it useful to just check out what they look like. It's still on the screen obviously, but I can show you a little bit more interactively than you can see if you're ordering it off a website like I did, for example. Okay, so the actual elements look like they're all protected in this plastic sleeve. Okay, so the die set. So that is quite small, but it's cute. So those of you with smaller die cutting machines, this would be absolutely perfect for that. It's got some pretty cute elements on there. Your windows and doors, your roof, little peppermints and kind of icing slash snow, hearts, candy canes. Candy canes and little hearts could of course be used on other things as well. So I like the detail on there, it's very cute. Then there's a embossing folder. So this is, I guess, like a snowy embossing folder, but this doesn't have to be snow. It can just be spots. You can ink that and use it all year round, I would say. And then the stamps, which obviously are, I would imagine, acrylic rather than, yeah, they feel like a nice acrylic though. Yeah, it's a nice quality, I can feel that. So you've got some coordination there by the looks of it, because you've got that little square there, like a little postage stamp. And then you've got From the North Pole, Airmail by Santa, and then your little peppermint coordinates there as well. So that's really cute touch, the coordination that you get with it. So then we have, oh, that's the window frame, I take it. Made in North Pole, Santa Claus, Post Office, very cute. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Gingerbread Man, Merry Christmas wreath. Well, you've got the wreath and then you've got the separate Merry Christmas inside, and then a similar idea here with your wreath and the separate snowflake. Santa's Airmail, December 25th. Santa Claus Mail, a little heart, and you've got a little heart die there as well. North Pole Airmail by Santa, North Pole delivery, sorry. This is a cute shape. Have a Merry Christmas. Oh, and these are all your stamps that you would stamp first then, and then die cut your house. Really lovely attention to detail. I'm really impressed with that. And happy holidays. Have a sweet time. You could use that literally all year round. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. This little bunting, again, I would use that all year round. From our house to yours, merry and bright. So that is really, really cute. I love the coordination. That works really well. I'm excited to have a little stamp with those. So look out for those. If I don't do a video, then I'll most likely do a blog post at gatherandycreate.co.uk. And then in the package we also had these lovely foil die cuts. So home is where Christmas cookies and presents are. Lovely, that's really cute. So you've got like a double frame on there. Sending sweet candy kisses, Merry Christmas, with tags, holly jolly, 'tis the season for love and happiness. I mean, look at that, you've basically got a ready-made card there. Wishing you a happy Christmas, and you've got a poinsettia. That's not die cut, but I would cut that out. Have a very Merry Christmas. Yeah, I wouldn't waste those bits on there at all. I would use those too. And then second sheet, the most wonderful time of the year, really nice. That's lovely. So you can embellish that further if you happen to have any circle dies, but it's worked perfectly on its own. Let it snow. You are the star on my Christmas tree. That's so cute. Some kind of faux grosgrain ribbon top of them. May your Christmas be merry and bright. And of course you can add your own sentiment there as well. I would be cutting this out. That'd be fun with kids as well. And yeah, of course you've got this little buttons border happening here as well. So that's the actual kit element of it. And then I'm not going to take you through the magazine. I just wanted to show you the freebies, but I just want to give you an idea of the project. So we've got paper folding, pretty simple. Need to make Christmas cards in a hurry. Why not try these ideas? Colouring for Christmas, a masterclass in how to use colouring techniques on your projects. The way you move. These cards with kinetic elements are so fun to make. The gift of Christmas. Why not boost your Christmas gifts with these wonderful ideas? Feel the heat. There are many different heat embossing techniques you can use. Don't let the cookie crumble. Take a look at these fabulous mask designs from Glenda. Christmas greetings. Why not follow these guides to make the most of topper sheets? Snow and stripes. Different ways to make use of the stripy papers in the paper pack. Oh, I do need to find a paper pack then. Special snowflakes. We love these fabulous releases from Lisa. Think outside the box. Mix your kit with Lisa Horton Crafts products to really get the most out of them. Snow is falling. Some ideas to get the most out of your included embossing folder. Make it pop. This hexagon pop-up is a fantastic way to really get the most out of your kit. Stretch your kit. The kit is so versatile it can be used for occasions throughout the year. Christmas flowers are something for everyone in Lisa's Christmas releases. Christmas mix. These ideas will help you add mixed media elements to your designs. Do you know the Muffin Man? Make cards for the young people in your life using the kit. And then you've got the ideas there. I don't want to go through it because I don't know if that's actually allowed, but I'm pretty sure I can show you the freebies in it, and I don't want to detract at all from any publishing rights or anything, but I will show you the freebies because then you're not seeing any of the projects themselves. So the papers are nice. You've got like a hand lettered feel to that, and that one You could use as strips or as whole sheets. Some baubles, nice mint background. That's cute. I would definitely use that all year round. Some Christmas trees and foliage. Lovely. This is definitely gingerbread house-esque, isn't it? With those cookies there. And the lovely red and white striped. Ooh, gorgeous. That's like a burgundy, like a mulled wine and gold stars, and then this paper to match. Very nice, very classy. Happy holidays, Santa Claus post office, all the postage marks on there. And then this is more contemporary, I would say. Love that. You could, again, it's got snippability, so you could cut bits out of there. So that is more like I'd say that's a grey background actually. I really like the contemporary feel of that one. And they're a really nice weight. Then sometimes in magazines I don't feel like the normal kind of pattern paper you buy. Gorgeous gingerbread houses. On my bucket list, I would like to go to the Grand Floridian Disney World, and they have gingerbread house, I think it's competitions, but they are huge gingerbread houses that they have competition every year. I would love to go and see them. More kind of like postmark, look like kind of stamped effect. Nice holly. And then we're back to, I don't know if that's a duplicate of that. Yeah, so then we've got the same again. We've got exactly the same again. So you've got 2 lots of everything. So that is really nice. Back cover of the magazine is basically advertising Lisa Horton's product range. She's got some nice stamps and dies on there. And the front cover, very much like to try this idea here. So it's volume 2. I got mine from CraftStash, and I will pop a link in a description below. There's prizes to be won on here as well. So I think for the money, how much did I actually pay for it? That's the question. It's $12.99 in the UK. So for everything that you're getting there, $12.99. Be hard pushed to get stamps and dies for that ordinarily, and then you've got all that inspiration. So quick cards if you need them, or just learn some new techniques, or great if you're starting out. So why don't you grab yourself one of these magazine kits as well. They're great fun, and I can't wait to get stuck in. So do look out for any projects I make on my blog. All the links to my socials are in the description. That's it for today. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you all again really soon. Take care. Bye bye.